The Gujarat government admitted in the Legislative Assembly that there was a shortfall of over 19,000 classrooms in various state-run primary schools as on December 2021. Responding to a set of questions raised by opposition Congress MLAs during the question hour, Gujarat Education Minister Jitu Vaghani informed the House that these classrooms will be built at the earliest. In a written reply, Vaghani said, while there was a shortfall of 19,128 classrooms in state-run primary schools as on December 2021, the Gujarat government has also built 2,714 new classrooms during the last 2 years. It was also revealed from the state government's data that 23 state-run primary schools are functioning without electricity and as many as 5,439 state-run primary schools and 272 private primary schools do not have any compound walls surrounding their campuses. Notably, in the budget presented on March 3rd, the Gujarat government had announced that it will spend Rs 937 crore in the year 2022 and 23 to construct 10,000 new classrooms in existing primary and secondary schools run by the government.